Torrential slide value equivalent to 244.97 rands a coin. The present cost range, 239.51 246.66. The earlier day close, 243.72. The change was plus 1.25. Plus 0.51%. Backwards rate, ZAR to Avax. Torrential slide cost expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, July 3. Cost 244 rands. High 261. Low 227. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, July 4. Cost 252 rands. High 270. Low 234. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, July 5. Cost 261 rands. High 279. Low 243. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday, July 6. Cost 242 rands. High 259. Low 225. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, July 7. Cost 242 rands. High 259. Low 225. In multi-week torrential slide gauge on Monday, July 10. Cost 239 rands. High 256. Low 222. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, July 11. Cost 250 rands. High 268. Low 233. Torrential slide gauge on Wednesday, July 12. Cost 244 rands. High 261. Low 227. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, July 13. Cost 259 rands. High 277. Low 241. Torrential slide gauge on Friday, July 14. Cost 254 rands. High 272. Low 236. In about 14 days torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, July 17. Cost 270 rands. High 289. Low 251. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, July 18. Cost 283 rands. High 303. Low 263. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, July 19. Cost 283 rands. High 303. Low 263. Torrential slide figure on Thursday, July 20. Cost 277 rands. High 296. Low 258. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, July 21. Cost 277 rands. High 296. Low 258. In 3 weeks torrential slide figure on Monday, July 24. Cost 278 rands. High 297. Low 259. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, July 25. Cost 275 rands. High 294. Low 256. Torrential slide figure on Wednesday, July 26. Cost 264 rands. High 282. Low 246. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, July 27. Cost 269 rands. High 288. Low 250. Torrential slide figure on Friday, July 28. Cost 264 rands. High 282. Low 246. In about a month torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, July 31. Cost 260 rands. High 278. Low 242. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, August 1. Cost 220 rands. High 235. Low 205. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 torrential slide cost forecast for July 2023. To start with cost at 244 rands, exorbitant cost 303. While low cost 222. Found the middle value of cost 257. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 260. Change for July 6.6%. Torrential slide estimate for August 2023. To start with cost at 260 rands, exorbitant cost 296. While low cost 201. Found the middle value of cost 259. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 277. Change for August 6.5%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2023. To start with cost at 277 rands, exorbitant cost 277, while low cost 226. Found the middle value of cost 256. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 243. Change for September 12.3%. Torrential slide gauge for October 2023. In the first place, cost at 243 rands, exorbitant cost 243. While low cost 201, the found the middle value of cost 226. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 216. Change for October 11.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2023. In the first place, cost at 216 rands, exorbitant cost 229. While low cost 199, the found the middle value of cost 215. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 214. Change for November 0.9%. Torrential slide gauge for December 2023. In the first place, cost at 214 rands, exorbitant cost 231, while low cost 201. The found the middle value of cost 216. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 216. Change for December 0.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost, cost at 216 rands, exorbitant cost 216, while low cost 183. The found the middle value of cost 203. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 197. Change for January 8.8%. Torrential slide estimate for February 2024. First and foremost, cost at 197 rands, exorbitant cost 245, while low cost 197. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 217. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 229. Change for February 16.2%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2024. Initially cost at 229 rands, excessive cost 249, while low cost 217. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 232. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 233. Change for spring 1.7%. Torrential slide figure for April 2024. Initially cost at 233 rands, excessive cost 254, while low cost 220. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 236. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 237. Change for April 1.7%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2024. To start with, cost at 237 rands, exorbitant cost 287, while low cost 237. The found the middle value of cost 257. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 268. Change for May 13.1%. Torrential slide estimate for June 2024. First and foremost, cost at 268 rands, excessive cost 274, while low cost 238. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 259. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 256. Change for June 4.5%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2024.